Meaning of integral calculus.
Integral calculus.
Integral calculus.
Integral calculus.
Integral calculus. Integral calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the determination and properties of integrals, which are mathematical objects that generalize the notion of area. It is a counterpart to differential calculus, which deals with the study of rates at which quantities change. In integral calculus, the integral is used to calculate the total accumulated effect of the rates of change over an interval or region. This allows for the calculation of quantities such as areas, volumes, and physical quantities such as work and energy. Integral calculus has numerous applications in fields such as physics, engineering, economics, and statistics.